CorelDRAW lets you draw rectangles and squares. To create a rectangle the same size as the page, double-click on the Rectangle tool. You can draw a rectangle or square by dragging diagonally with the Rectangle tool, or by specifying the width and height with the 3-point Rectangle tool. The 3-point Rectangle tool lets you quickly draw rectangles at an angle. To draw a rectangle from the center outwards, hold down the Shift key while dragging. To draw a square, hold down the Control key. Holding both Shift and Control allows you to draw a square from the center outwards. You can also draw a rectangle or a square with rounded, scalloped, or chamfered corners. You can modify each corner individually or apply the changes to all corners by activating the padlock icon. To round all corners manually, drag a corner handle with the Shape tool. To round single corners manually, hold down the Control key. To change the shape of the corners, choose either round, scalloped, or chamfer corner and adjust the angle in the property bar. In addition, you can specify that all corners scale relative to the object. You can draw an ellipse or circle by dragging diagonally with the Ellipse tool, or you can draw an ellipse by using the 3-point Ellipse tool to specify its width and height. The 3-point Ellipse tool lets you quickly create an ellipse at an angle, eliminating the need to rotate the ellipse. As with the Rectangle tool, holding the Control or Shift keys, or a combination of both, will allow you to draw from the center instead of diagonally, or constrain the aspect ratios, giving you a circle rather than an ellipse. Using the Ellipse tool, you can draw a new arc or pie shape, or you can draw an ellipse or circle, and then change it to an arc or a pie shape. To draw an arc, the ellipse or circle must have an outline. You can change the direction of a selected arc or pie shape by clicking the Change Direction button on the property bar. You can constrain the movement of the node to 15-degree increments by holding down Ctrl as you drag. You can also change the default properties of new objects that are drawn with the Ellipse tool. For example, you can set the default properties so that all new shapes you draw are arcs or pie shapes. To change the default properties for new objects drawn with the Ellipse tool, click Tools, Options, Tools. In the left pane of the dialog box that appears, click Ellipse. To change the shape of new objects to arcs or pie shapes, enable one of the following options, pie or arc. Type values in the starting angle and ending angle boxes. To set the direction of all new arcs or pie shapes, enable one of the following options, clockwise or counterclockwise.